Okay guys, off we go again. We're going to have a look down the rest of the strip now. I see JJ's here. Brilliant bar if you can get in there. Getting busier and busier in here. That's because the food's really good. Yeah, reasonably priced for really good food. That's JJ's for you. The next big one's the one over the road. We all know about this now, don't we? The grand reopening and all that. When they get in there one night, guys, we're going to let everybody else do it first. There we go. Western Saloon, guys. And another little YouTuber coming across. Deborah and family.
Hello.
Yeah, just seen Deborah and her family there. What's the channel called, Marcus? Can you remember?
Deborah Benidorm.
Deborah Benidorm. Yeah. Go over and have a look at that, guys. Fantastic channel. I've known Deborah a long time now. I think near enough since I started.
We're the ones who inspired her, mate.
There we go. So that's not a bad thing, is it? She's doing really well now. She's got monetised. She can have a great career on YouTube. There's the Western Saloon bar over there. Looks lovely in there. Did a really good job on that. Took a while, but yeah, worth it. There you go, guys, that's Western Saloon bar. Hotel California next. We're going to go in there today. So now we'll go and get a quiet drink. And we've seen about 4 or 5 fans down there. That's the way it goes.
The life of a celebrity is so hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Terrible.
Books,
there's a crown there.
Grand openings.
Marcus keeps trying to get pulled over there to do a video of their new game show with Franco and Nick. He hasn't given it a go yet, but I'm sure he'll get in there one of the days to show you what it's all about. We're trying to get back today, so it's not going to be today. Go, carry on, guys. Some of you guys have been asking us about the Irish bars. Both of them are open at the moment, the Shamrock and the Dublin House. Yeah, the both of them back up now. Looking good. Down here you've got Jailhouse. I went in there for the first time a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, it was absolutely packed in there. Absolutely packed. You better get a drink in there. And of course Rockefellers. That's where Tony is now, back at home. They got on tonight. Yeah, they have the same on near enough every night, I think.
Adult, Tony, Pink, Take That, Sticky Fricky.
Yeah, it's near enough the same. But if they want to go and see Tony Scott, get down there about. Well, get in early, guys, because the seats get packed up. It's only 10:15, but great show. Carrying on down, we're going to cross over in a minute. There we go. Got a red line there.
Hello. Brilliant.
Okay, we got the line over the road there, yeah.
Oh, they've got.
And they got a bit of music on. Yeah, I'll zoom you down a little bit.
Luminosity, best UV party in Benidorm.
There you go.
Sounds fun.
So yeah, I don't know how well you can see that, guys. I can barely see it at all. So we're going to move on a bit though. Trying to get a couple of videos in down here. I don't know if I'm going to do that. Yeah, Red Lion. Adult shows on late at night. Yeah. You probably know what they are.
Hey Mom, what's the film about? What are you about?
So yeah, doing this filming bits, guys. Yeah, we're moving on now. We're by the shoe shop now. We've got that far. Got the Outback just up here. That's looking pretty packed today. They've started opening up in the afternoon. Now again, I don't know what time they do open. It's all good news. All signs Benidorm's getting back to normal. And the, what's that called over there, Mark?
What? Loch Ness.
Loch Ness, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's shut up today. Why, I do not know. There's not masses of people, but there's enough people to have your bar open today. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe as normal. We have got the PayPal underneath if you want to make a small donation to the channel, just to keep us going with drinks and stuff. There's the Outback again. You want to watch more from Benidorm, watch the ones coming up in the card. And if you're going out anywhere today, don't forget to smile. Makes everybody feel a lot better, and yourself. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.